Welcome to our journey through Kenya, a land of stunning landscapes and rich cultural heritage. From the snow-capped peak of Mount Kenya to the sparkling waters of the Indian Ocean, Kenya is a feast for the senses. Today we'll explore 50 must-visit places in this beautiful country, each offering a unique glimpse into the magic of Kenya. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty of its national parks, the vibrant culture of its people, and the incredible diversity of its wildlife. So, sit back, relax, and let us guide you through this unforgettable Kenyan adventure. A capital city's wild heart beats strong. Witness the drama of the Great Migration unfold. Giant tusks frame Kilimanjaro's majesty. Chapter 4. Tsavo National Park, untamed wilderness stretching as far as the eye can see. Chapter 5. Lake Nakuru, a pink spectacle unfolds against a shimmering lake. Chapter 6. Mount Kenya, ascend to the roof of Africa. Chapter 7. Diani Beach, paradise found on pristine white sands. Chapter 8. Lamu Island, time stands still in this ancient Swahili port. Chapter 9. Hell's Gate National Park, adventure beckons amidst geothermal wonders. Chapter 10. Samburu National Reserve, where rare and endangered creatures roam free. Chapter 11. Aberdare National Park. Waterfalls cascade through emerald forests. Chapter 12. Malindi. Coastal charm blends with a rich history. Chapter 13. Watamu. Dive into a kaleidoscope of marine life. Chapter 14. Mombasa. A melting pot of cultures on the Indian Ocean. Chapter 15. Kisumu. Life unfolds at the rhythm of the lake. Chapter 16. Lake Victoria. Africa's largest lake teems with life. Chapter 17. Ol Payeta Conservancy. Hope for the future of the black rhino. Chapter 18. Meru National Park. Elsa's legacy lives on in this wild paradise. Chapter 19. Chulu Hills. Rolling green hills stretch towards the horizon. Chapter 20. Shimba Hills National Reserve. Coastal rainforest harbors rare and elusive creatures. Mount Elgon. Explore the secrets of an extinct volcano. Kakamega Forest. A symphony of life in a rainforest haven. Marsabit National Park. Volcanic craters mirror the sky above. Ruma National Park, where the roan antelope roams free. Siboloi National Park. Fossils whisper tales of humanity's dawn. Arabuko Sokoke Forest. A coastal forest teeming with hidden treasures. Nairobi, a vibrant capital city with a beating heart. Step into the world out of Africa. Face to face with gentle giants. Giving orphaned elephants a second chance. Fort Jesus, a Portuguese fortress guarding Mombasa's past. Mombasa Marine National Park, an underwater wonderland of coral and colour. Lake Naivasha, where hippos wallow and birds take flight. Walk amongst giraffes and zebras. From quarry to sanctuary, a conservation success story. A geological wonder carving its way through Africa. Kitale, agriculture thrives in Kenya's breadbasket. Thimlich Ohinga, ancient stone walls whisper tales of a bygone era. Kericho, rolling hills carpeted in emerald green tea plantations. Nyeri, a gateway to the Aberdare Range's beauty. Isiolo, where cultures converge in northern Kenya. Nanyuki, Mount Kenya's majesty dominates the skyline. Laikipia Plateau, a haven for wildlife on a vast plateau. Maralol, experience the vibrant Samburu culture. Loyangalani, on the shores of Jade Green Lake Turkana. Turkana, a land of rugged beauty and ancient traditions. Moyale, where Kenya and Ethiopia meet, a place of vibrant cultural exchange and bustling local markets. Rich cultural heritage in Kenya's northeast. Life flows along the Tana River, a lifeline through Kenya's arid lands. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Kenya. We hope you enjoyed discovering these amazing places and feel inspired to visit them yourself. From the wildlife-rich savannas to the pristine beaches, Kenya offers something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel adventures. We look forward to exploring more of our incredible planet with you